So this is the first time we're going back to SeaWorld this year. We've gotten a season pass, and this is probably the 10th time we're using it already, so it's so much worth it. So today it's gonna be Mardi Gras, so let's check it out. You guys ready? Yeah. Where are we going?
SeaWorld!
SeaWorld, and it's cold.
I feel a little cold, so I put on this.
It looks cute though. Come on, let's go. So it took us
very excited.
Took us 10 minutes to get here.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Yahoo! It took us 10 minutes to climb up the Tamron, but we made it eventually.
Oh, there's gonna be new Riptide race. Did you see? Like
Follow me!
Okay, so we're here at SeaWorld. It's a cold day, not too many people.
Pretty cold, but not too cold.
Already had our one accident today. So SeaWorld now is Mardi Gras. Right? Look, there's more of them. It's party time, dancing.
Party!
Yeah, it first came from a dish rack.
Oh, okay. I'm dancing.
Hi guys, if you'd like to put photos of my Sesame Street, right over here on this side, behind the white line.
Woohoo! Cookie Monster's so funny, right?
Yeah. Let's go.
But I had no idea what he's doing.
He's like, ah, blah, 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 blah.
Oh, okay.
Oh, what a big room you have.
Where are we going?
Window shopping. Look. Mermaid.
Window shopping time.
Careful, careful.
Scram.
Look.
Are you tough? Let's go. You got it, babe. So what, just a step. Yeah. Come. Yes. Oh, that's a far one. Yeah. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, jump. Boom. Hey, run to Kuya. Give me a kiss, Matt. I'll buy you fries. Kiss me, and I'll buy you fries. I went for Matthew. Kiss me, I'll buy you fries. Oh. It's not a kiss, real kiss. I'll turn it off. It's off. What price would I buy?
Asiago cheese.
Asiago cheese again?
Regular.
What show is this?
Sea lion high.
This. Read this eye chart. Huh. This teeth. Tiny shot. That's what I thought. You better hurry up, Seymour. This. this? What are you guys eating?
Daddy, what you're eating?
French fries.
What are you gonna eat?
French fries.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, what are you eating today?
Ooh, look at that. Yummers. We got some snacks. Look at that guy.
Garlic milk.
There's so many cool activities here and so many performers like this guy.
Wonderful! Welcome, happy Mardi Gras to you. We'll enjoy the festivities.
I'm seeing dolphins.
Finn the dolphin. No, I don't want. Let's not be close.
Okay, not so close.
Ouch. Sorry.
It's cool.
I don't
there.
even opening their mouths.
Yeah. Maybe they're playing. There.
That's only like talking one.
1, 2, 3, go.
Thanks in a scrub doing stuff.
Hey, Finn.
Hey, VI,
Missing you. Just tore them.
What's that?
See that? Oh, it's raining! It's moving!
It is, is that it?
It blew 2 rings, and then it popped the other ones. So it will come up for air, and then it will blow rings.
Mommy, I can do something. I like something. Vinegar bubbles. Vinegar bubbles.
I agree.
So how do you find our first time in Discovery?
After 8 months
Yeah.
of living in Texas.
This is awesome.
Oh yeah.
Look at that. Looks like button. The glass is so thick, it's like a screen. These are sharks.
Look at its teeth. Hey Nemo.
Where's the angelfish?
Park is gonna close in 20 minutes. It's already 4:40. We spent about what, a good 4 hours here. Yeah. Pretty fun.
Yep, let's go. How long do they live?
Typical about 25 to 35. That's very abnormal. Very good. Say hi to you.
Flipping the wings for you.
You saw that, babe? They're saying hello to you?
She eats about 20 pounds of fish a day.
Wow.
A lot of food. The entire park right now. Orcas and all the fish and penguins and everything here, all the animals, about 3,000 pounds of fish a day.
Wow.
And it's all restaurant quality. It's all the ground, we're not going to offer it to the animals. Fortunately, it doesn't happen too much, but we always have an extra bucket.
Home now, V. Babe, we're gonna go home. Let's go. Did you have fun? Let's go.
What do you say to Kuya?
What are you eating?
That's Kuya's bag. She keeps sharing with you.
Hi, Via. Okay. So we're going home.